Okay, let me keep going here. I'm on TikTok. Let me see if there's any other questions. I'm not ignoring you guys. It's got other folks. Thank you guys for the shares. Appreciate it. How you feel about government contracting space? With 47 trying to get rid of 50% of them. We were just talking about this. Would you advise a 35-year-old to join the Air Force Reserves? Okay, this is a few different questions here. We'll start with the first one. How do you feel about government contracting space with 47 trying to get rid of 50%? Oh, man, right now, I don't know where this is going to go. I have to be honest. I don't know where this is going to go, guys. It doesn't help me to say that to you. Like, it would be better for me to say, oh, everything's going to be great. It's going to be cool. Just keep doing GRC. I have to say, I just don't know. I just don't know where this is about to go. If I'm completely honest with you, I don't know what's going to happen with this field in this industry specifically. It's given me a lot of uncertainty. The one thing I can rely on is that I have an incredible method of finding jobs. It's been working for me. I'm not afraid to go back to the office, right? If that's what their threat is. It's making me think about maybe I should position myself wider. Just thinking out loud, like this things I've been thinking is that GRC is going to be there whether the US government does it or not. And the contracting world is one tiny, less than 1% of the entire market. That said, our skill set is worldwide. So I've just been thinking maybe I should go global. I mean, as much as I have loved and enjoyed working in the US, just I don't know what they're doing. And I'm not sure their decisions they're making. It really makes me sad to say this because I've been working for them for 20 years, more than 20 years, and now I'm just now at this point, even if another administration comes in, I have to question the choices that the people of the United States have made. I just don't know where any of this is going. And I'm not sure why they did what they're doing, and then they just keep cheering for something that doesn't make any sense. So what I'm doing is continue to sharpen my skills. I'm going deeper into cloud, and I'm broadening the net, not just in the United States, but all over the world. I'm making myself available to any and all companies and countries, and I'm no longer just going to focus on the U.S. anymore. I'm not sure where this ride is going, so I need to make the net broader so that I can always be marketable no matter what I do or where I go. And I want to a really important thing. I mean, I'm already getting up in age, right? I'm gonna be out of here probably in about 10 years, but I want to hopefully lead the next generation in the right direction so that they also have opportunities no matter what happens, no matter who's in office, no matter what crazy ass decisions they decide to make. Make yourself more marketable because people in Canada still need you to know GRC. People in Australia still need GRC. People in, dare I say it, China, Japan, Philippines. There's banks everywhere. I mean, there's so we're still this is a very valuable, marketable skill, and it's just too bad we can't have the best and brightest here because they don't seem to want that. I'm not sure where we're going with all of this, but I think we make ourselves more marketable, and I'll let you know how this goes. I'll let you know how this goes. This new experiment, and thank you so much for this, Rookie. I appreciate that.